Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's video we have rescued all our animals, one big horse and other small wild and farm animals. So let's start the video. Our first animal is moose. The flap of skin under a moose's chin is called a bell. Next animal is seal. You would not believe that seals can stay underwater for almost 2 hours in a stretch. And the next animal is goose. Geese are large birds with loud honking calls along with ducks and swans. Next animal is shark. Sharks have no bones, their skeletons are made out of cartilage. What our heirs are born. Next animal is whale. Whales are the largest animals that have ever lived on earth and are the largest animals that live in the ocean. And the next animal is duck. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. Ducks have very good vision and they can see in color. And the next animal is the cutest animal, panda. Pandas are born looking like naked, pink slug and weigh just 100 grams. And the next animal is camel. The most expensive camel was sold for $53 million. Next animal is sheep. Sheep are herbivores. This means their diet consists mostly of grass, plants and seeds. Next animal is the cutest animal, cow. Cows can gum you but can't bite because they do not have front upper teeth. And the next animal is hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses can hold their breath underwater for about 5 minutes. Next animal is the barking animal dog. They only sweat from their paws and have to cool down by panting. Next animal is rat. Rats need their whiskers to help them balance and find their way around. And the next animal is rooster. They have bad senses of smell and taste but good hearing. Next animal is cheetah, fastest mammal on land. The cheetah can reach speeds of 60 or perhaps even 70 miles, 97 or 113 kilometers an hour over short distances. And next animal is goat. Kids can get up and walk around just minutes after they are born. And the next animal is horse. Horses like to eat hay. A young horse is called a foal. Next animal is giraffe. Giraffes are found in the dry savannas of Africa where they roam among the open plains and woodlands. Next animal is reindeer. Reindeer stand about 2 to 5 feet 0.6 to 1.5 meters high at the shoulder. They can weigh as much as 700 pounds. And next animal is bears. Bears are good at climbing and swimming. They have a large brain which makes them very intelligent. Next animal is elephant. Male African elephants can reach 3 meters tall and weight between 4,000 to 7,500 kg. And the next animal is tiger. On average, the big cat weighs 450 pounds, about the same as 8-10-year-old kids. And our next animal is black bear. Black bears are about 3 feet high when standing on all 4 feet and 5 feet to 7 feet tall when standing upright. Next animal is the water animal shark. Shark skin feels like sandpaper because their skin is covered in tiny specialized teeth called dermal denticles. Next animal is zebra. Each zebra has its own unique pattern of distinctive stripes, just as humans have their own unique pattern of fingerprints. Next animal is white tiger. White tiger are not a spread species of tiger. White tigers are also not Siberian tigers. And the next animal is rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are large, heavy animals with thick grey or brown skin, short legs and 1 or 2 horns on their nose. And the next animal is the clever animal wolf. They can reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour when sprinting. And the second last animal is the king of the jungle, lion. While they are out looking for food, the males guard the pride's territory and their young. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. And our last animal is panther. The panther's black color helps it camouflage into the surrounding forest, making it almost invisible at night. Panthers often hunt and live in trees.